there, curious minds. Today, we're diving into a question that might seem simple, but is surprisingly complex. Is Jell-O a solid? Before we answer, let's break down what makes something a solid. Solids have a definite shape and volume. They don't flow like liquids, and their particles are tightly packed together. So, where does Jell-O fit in? When you look at Jell-O, it holds its shape. You can cut it, mold it, and it doesn't pour out like a liquid. That sounds pretty solid, right? But wait, there's more. Jell-O is actually a fascinating example of a colloid. A colloid is a substance where tiny particles are suspended within another substance. In Jell-O's case, it's water suspended within a network of gelatin proteins. Gelatin, derived from collagen, forms a mesh-like structure that traps water. This structure gives Jell-O its unique wobbly texture, which is why it seems solid, but also has some characteristics of a liquid. Let's talk about viscosity. Viscosity is how thick or thin a liquid is. Honey has high viscosity, water has low viscosity. Jell-O, even though it's not a liquid, has a high viscosity because of the gelatin network holding it together. This network allows Jell-O to flow very slowly if you apply enough force, like when you squish it. So, is Jell-O a solid? Technically, no. It's considered a gel, a state of matter that's somewhere between a solid and a liquid. It has solid-like properties because of the gelatin network, but it's mostly water which flows under pressure. It's a perfect example of how nature doesn't always fit neatly into our categories. Jell-O challenges our understanding of states of matter and reminds us that science is full of surprises. So next time you have a bowl of Jell-O, think about the tiny gelatin networks holding it together and how they blur the lines between solid and liquid. Isn't science amazing? Thanks for joining me on this wiggly journey. Stay curious and keep exploring.